Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Subaru BRZ coupe, stock reference number 4064. The shape runs from the 7th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the roof as well as the front end, left front. We have the bonnet, suited track car, right hand xenon headlight, right hand indicator, right hand fog light, left hand xenon headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand sill skirt. Right door has one small dent and very light wobbles throughout the centre of it. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trims. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth and leather interior. It's got a manual console in black, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior light, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.